How to export customers into CSV file in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just get to it. So first log into your Shopify admin, and then from here you simply just want to click on customers. From here you're going to be able to find different segments, companies, and so on, and obviously you're just going to be able to find all the different customers that you have. Now these are just all tests, as you can see. So you have the opportunities now to actually choose which customers you want to export by highlighting them from here, or you can just go ahead and leave everything empty if you want to export all customers. It's up to you. Anyway, so I'm just going to pick these two, and then what we need to do basically just click on export from the top right corner. And now because I have selected these two, I'm going to have the option to select the ones obviously selected, or I can just go for all customers instead. So it's up to you. Next up, you're just going to also include the different fields that you want to have included, like customer tags or meta fields if you have them. So once this is done, you are just going to basically select CSV for Excel, numbers, or other spreadsheet programs and click on export customers. So this is going to basically now be emailed to your Shopify email, and from there you're going to be able to download the CSV file. So this is going to be the email that you will get. Your customers have finished exporting and are ready to download. So you basically just go ahead and click on the CSV file, and it's just going to download for you. And that's pretty much all you need to do to export your customers from Shopify to a CSV list. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.